Hello everybody, this is Vibhor here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing the brand new Lavalier Go from Rode. So yeah, this is not new. Basically this is there in the market since a long time, but I just purchased the new Rode microphone to connect to my audio recordings. Let's open this and see what comes in the box. So it comes in a pouch, and in the pouch what we get is a microphone, and that's it. A clip and a microphone over here. Now I had been using since a long time, and if you have been following my channel, I do use this Tascam recorder, and with this I have been using this Boya microphone. Now the problem with that is it's really long and becomes a little messy keeping in the pocket. Also, I just recently purchased the GoPro camera. With that I wanted some smaller microphone, so I got this Rode Lavalier microphone just today. Let's open this up, and as you can see, it's not long, it's just this long, and that is all what I wanted, that I can plug this in to my recorder, have it right over here for all the recordings, and this recorder can just go inside my pocket. I don't have to carry such long cables with me. Let's switch on this microphone, and the next audio that you're going to listen to is going to be through this Rode Lavalier Go. Okay, so finally I have placed this Rode microphone right over here, and the recording is happening on this Tascam DR05 recorder with me, or the recording that you are listening to right now is absolutely unprocessed audio quality which I'm getting from this recorder placed right close to my mouth. So it's like probably this distance from my mouth, and this is where generally I place my Boya microphone. Now the quality of Boya microphone is really good. I don't know how it's gonna come compared to that. I hope it's gonna be fine. The main thing is that this Tascam recorder does all the recording, and even with my vlogs that I'm gonna do in the future with my GoPro camera with me, I'm gonna use the same setup. So that's why I purchased this. Do let me know in the comment section below how this audio you think is coming out. Now all the previous videos which I have put on the channel, majority of them have been recorded through the Boya microphone, but all of them has been processed. This audio that you are hearing to right now, that's not processed, no limiter, nothing has been put on that. Is the raw audio that comes out of this microphone. I have not listened to it yet because I'm recording. Eventually after this recording happens, I'm going to listen to that, and then I'll exactly come to know how it sounds and feel to the ears. But overall I think it's more comfortable, it's more handy. Carrying the long cable Boya microphone with me out of the house, it's not possible. This is much more simpler, much more easier. In the future anyways, I plan to take the Rode wireless microphones, but even with them I can connect these Rode Lavalier microphone and have those wireless systems inside my pocket. So yes, I'm liking this. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this wireless Lavalier microphone through Rode. That's all in this video guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.